Mr. Raghunath, the stage is
Yeah.
yours.
You're able to see the screen?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
I'm Raghunath from Srimitra Passive Earning Advisors, Bangalore. I want to thank Deepak ji and the other Snow team for providing this most beautiful opportunity. And here it is a brief presentation. I can explain to you in short what type of income can be generated with this opportunity. How to earn more every month and how not to compromise with our expenses, how to live life king size. One should earn every month. One should have properties without disturbing their savings. One should have long-term income also without parking funds now. Generally, we will have a 5-year plan or 10-year plan in our business. And we set the goals also accordingly. And taking care of our income is a part of the journey. When can you satisfy if you have enough additional income? Warren Buffett says, never depend upon single income, make an investment to create a second source. How to earn regularly, immediately, without sparking funds. Saving money for the future will not get you rich. What is savings? Savings are nothing but sacrificing or compromising with our expenses. One should have more income instead of compromising with the expenses. One should have business that should not require any capital. No capital, no risk. And one should have business that should not require any purchases. So no purchases, no inventory required, and no need to maintain this kind of table like how many items each time we purchase. And one should have business that should not require any sales. So no sales and no difficulty in selling and approaching the people. And one should have business that should not require any customers. And no customers, no spending time for searching for them. And one should have business that should not require parking of funds. That's no parking of funds and no blocking money. And one should have business that should not require buying property from savings. Generally, we pay money to buy properties. And without, of course, without paying money, nobody can get the property. But here, no need to spend money for buying properties and no blocking money. And one should have business, what we earn long-term monetary benefits without parking money. And long-term benefits without blocking money, it is possible with us. And satisfied clients, they're all a few members from our clients. They're all from different places like Bangalore, Mysore, Chamarajanagar, Gulbarga, Hassan, Tumkur, Hyderabad, Telangana, Chennai, Andhra Pradesh, Vijayawada, Elur, Rajahmundry, Pune, and Mumbai, etc. For multiple sources of income, get in touch, find out how to earn minimum of 50,000 rupees a month and get all these benefits from one business which we provide. Thank you all and visit our stall 2067. Thank you all.
Mr. Raghunath, you still have a minute.
Yeah, that's it. There's nothing more to explain.
Okay.
But excellent presentation, Raghunath. But what I suggest is you can also tell like from how many years are you in this business?
Yeah, we are there since this business is since 3 years. We have
3
been
years.
providing this business opportunity. Yeah.
Okay. So that's excellent one. I think it's a good opportunity for everybody. They can visit. Who doesn't want to earn 50,000 rupees a month? That's from
That's
start. So yes,
minimum.
definitely they can visit. Yeah.
50,000 is minimum.
That's what I said. So that's members can visit your stalls, viewers can visit your company, and a fantastic background of yours too. So that's fantastic, Raghunath. All the best to you, and
Thank you.
happy networking and a lot of business to you.
Thank you, Deepak. Thank you, Hiranmani.
Thank you. Deepak, the stage is
Yeah.
yours.
Yeah. Okay.